Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Here myself Pooja is going to teach you English. Today I will start the basic of English grammar, that is the sentence. The sentence. What is sentence? A group of words, that makes a complete sense. What is sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense. Remember that I am indicating two things, that is a group of words, complete sense. Means it doesn't mean that all the group of words giving a complete sense. It should be in a proper order. Example: Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb. There are so many different words and these words make a complete sense. Mary had a little lamb. A little lamb Mary had. Do we call this as a sentence? No. Why? It is not giving a complete sense. A little lamb Mary had. Is it giving a complete sense? No, it is not giving a complete sense. So we will not call this as a sentence. Now our next topic is types of sentence. Sentences differ in their nature. Some are information, some gives expression, some sentences give advices, order. They are categorized into 4 categories. They are types of sentence. Types of sentences. There are 4 types of sentence. First one is assertive sentence. What is assertive sentence? Assertive sentence, a sentence that makes complete sense, a sentence which declares something, a sentence which gives us information. Like assertive sentence. The sun rises in the east. What I have written here? The sun rises in the east. It means it giving us some information that the sun rises in the east. Next our interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks question is called an interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. Suppose that we are asking question, how are you? Where are you going? What is your name? This type of sentence are called interrogative sentence. And remember that interrogative sentence always end with question mark. How are you? It always end with question mark. Next our sentence is imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or a request or an advice. That sentence is called an imperative sentence. Again I am repeating, a sentence is that expresses a command or a request or given advice. That sentence is called an imperative sentence. Command, request, advice, sometimes your teacher is giving you order, shut your mouth. What I am giving? I am giving a order that you are not allowed to talk. Please give me glass of water. Means I am requesting you. This type of sentence are called imperative sentence. Next, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses sudden feelings. Feelings like it may be happiness, maybe sadness, or you may surprise. That type of sentence is called exclamatory sentence. Suppose that you are saying some beautiful thing, then how you are expressing? Wow, what a beautiful thing. In this way your expression. So this type of sentence is called a exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentence always end with exclamation mark. Exclamatory sentence always end with exclamation marks. In this sentence, sudden feelings. We just express our sudden feelings. And it always ends with exclamation mark. Once again I am recalling the chapter. What is sentence? A group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence. There are 4 types of sentence. First, adjective sentence. Adjective sentence means which gives a statement, which declares something, which gives us some information. Second, interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks question is called interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses commands, request or give an order. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses sudden feeling. So, today we end of your class with your assignment. Thank you.